Now, BOQ, it's all in the Google Classroom. You just go to Google Classroom, I will upload in the, you saw that? Under the student site, there's stream, there's resources, then you can click. Now, under BOQ, now I want to calculate BOQ. You look at this triangle here. First, what must you label? Radius. Now, once you label radius, do you see isosceles triangle? So my question is, if this is 66, this is what? If this is 66, what is this angle? 66. If this is 66, can I find this angle? Then can I find the outside angle? It can, easy. So not so difficult. So once you label the radius, you know that this is 66. You also know this is 66. Then suddenly you can find the BOQ straight away. Now going to part 2. You may find frustrating because Mr. Low didn't give you time to do, but I have my difficulties. Now, but instead I will tell you the steps and then you go and try. All of you look up again. Now, look up again please. Come. later. You got time to write. Now, I want to find AQ. Now, how do I find this AQ? It says that OX. Can you underline the sentence? OX split the what to 2 parts? OX split triangle OAQ into 2 congruent. Mr. Low, very difficult. I write, you only highlight. Can you highlight this? Now, when you highlight this, look at this triangle now. Can you find this triangle? If I say 2 congruent triangle, do you remember? You also know that this is isosceles. Do you know the angle between OX and AQ? Do you remember the perpendicular? Yes? So because it's split into 2 congruent triangles, so this one must be equal to this one, right? Again, this XQ must be equal to AX. So this small length is equal to this small length, which means this is 90. Now I put in all the things I know. This is 16. This angle is 66. Can I find AX? Look at this triangle. Can I find AX? Or you don't like? Can I use sine rule? Again, this is 66. This is 16. This is the radius. So I got 216 already. So how do I write sine rule? AQ over sine which angle? AOQ, right? Is equal to what? 16 over sine 66. Must I write down? A lot of you frowning. So I write down AQ over sine what angle? Equals to 16 over sine 66. Able to fill in the blank? Able to fill in this blank? Can So you know this angle, then you solve for AQ, then you answer already. You don't even have to divide by 2. Okay. Joey, can you tell us what's this angle? They want AQ what? Joey, what is this angle? 48. This angle, right? Okay, good. So you all know, Now, part 3. Part 3. Dong. Part 3. Dong. Hey, perimeter, perimeter can do?
No. Let's say the teacher.
Dong. Okay, now, this one, pink line, and blue line and green line. So I got 3 MRT line. So can you find these 3 lines? Can you find the length? Yes or no?
No.
Why? Look at your own diagram. Is it like that? You want to find these 3 lengths, right?
Yeah.
Which one cannot find?
Why?
Oh, this PYB.
Yeah.
Can what? Let's try the small one first. The small one first. Okay, let's try BQ. BQ is arc length, right? Arc length is what? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, now instead of writing out the formula, I want you to write down BQ arc length equal. Now I need to know radius, I need to know theta. So your diagram you have, so I focus at this one. Tell me, radius is equal to what? 16. And this angle, just tell me which 3 letter. B, O, Q. Okay, I do something like that. Then you go and try. Now, how about arc length PYB? Radius equals to what? Theta equals to what? Radius, is it still 16? Matthew? PYB, the blue length, is the radius still 16?
No.
Radius, no, right? Now, you look at the question says PYB is a minor arc with center what? Center A. Can see? So the center is now not O, the center is now A. So A, I have this arc length. Can you follow? So what is the radius with A to B? 32. So this radius is 32. And this angle is what? PAB. Right? Which is the 66 that you are talking about. So I got these 2 lengths already. I'm now left with the green line. The green line which is PQ. PQ itself, is it arc length or straight line? Straight line, right? So straight line means I must take, I zoom out. Straight line means I must take a long length minus a short length. How to find this PQ? How to find this PQ? I must take what? The long one minus the short one. Right? Again, to find the green length, I must take the long AP minus AQ. Is it 16? The answer is no. But AP is equal to 32. But AQ is the answer in part 2. Correct or not? AQ is the answer in part 2. You must use the pi decimal place, then you subtract, then you get an answer. Now let's move on to part 3, part 4. Well, you can do this. This will not come out in N level. It should not come out in O level as well. It's too advanced. But it's good practice because you basically summarize everything in this question. Part 4, I want to find the area. Easy or difficult? Or haven't tried? Can I pause here? You all go and try. Can I do that? No response.
Yes.
You all look at the question now. Is it easy or difficult?
Just find the big one.
Agree or not? What Marcus say? I find the sector APYB minus the small triangle minus the small sector. I get the big one. I repeat because it's recorded. You're going to watch. First, I find the area of APYB minus triangle AQO minus sector QOB. Then you can find the shaded area. Okay, today's lesson is on radian. It's a very simple topic. Now, you need to remember 180 degree is equals to 1 radian. So, 180 degree equal to 1 radian. Can you write this down? Now, radian, the unit is RAD. Degree, the unit is circle on the top right hand corner. Okay? Now, oh sorry, I write wrongly. Oh my god, so embarrassing. Not 1 radian, it's 1 pi. What am I doing? Don't need to do anything. Don't need to cancel. You just add 3 stroke. 3 stroke. Where are the 3 stroke? 1 horizontal, 1 down. Can? Yeah, then correct already. Okay, so always remember 180 degree equals to pi radian. Again, I repeat, 180 degree equals to pi radian. Now, I need you to note that this is not given exam, which means you need to memorize. Now, I will try 1A and 2A, and then you complete the rest. Let's start. Now, first exercise is to convert degree angle to radian. So how to start? This thing here must always come first. Alright, so I will write this down. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 360 degree, where do I write? Do I write left or right? My left or my right? 360 degree, do I write here or here? Left or right? Left, right? So Jaira, if this is 360 degree, how many pi is that? 2 pi. Hashtag. Okay. I try 2A. Same thing. 2A says I want to convert everything to what? Degree. This is into radian. Okay? So same thing. I write the rule first. What is the rule? 180 degree. 180 degree equals to pi radian. Where do I put the pi over 2? Left or right? Or now I put at the right hand side. How to get this divided by 2? Here I what? Times 2 or divided by 2? Divided by 2, right? So over here what do I do? Divide by 2. So 180 divided by 2 equal 90 degree. So you hashtag at the 90 degree. Follow so far about 1A and 2A. Now you continue 1B, 1C, 2B, 2C. I write the final answer. You tell me your working. Let's start. Now, in order to do 1C, this is 1C. Okay, now first step is to write down the rule again. So 180 degree equals to pi radian. Now I want to find 320 equals to how many radian? Now, to do that, there is a missing second step. The second step is to find 1. Why? Because I don't know what number I multiply or divide to get 320. So I find that 1 degree first. How do I get 1 degree? I divide by 180. So here also divide by 180. How do I get 320 from 1? Times 320. So times 320. So here the answer will be this times 320. And this will be equal to 5.5, 8, 5. A few more? 2 more, right? 58505. And then I round off to 5.59. Never put radian. Okay, so at this point, I want you to go up to the rule again, and then I want you to write down this. For angle in degree, 1 decimal place. For angle in radian, 3 SF. I repeat, you write. I repeat, you write. Angle in degree, 1 decimal place. Angle in radian, 3 SF. Okay? So make sure you give yourself. How can it be so big? Oh, okay. Matthew brought a very good point. Everyone look up. Okay, I overshot already. Everyone look up. Let me finish the last sentence, then I will stop the lesson. Look at this. 5.59, 2 pi. Which one is bigger? 2 or 5.59? 2 pi. Why? Because 2 pi equals to 2 times 3.14 blah blah blah. Answer is 6. Understand? This is pi only. This is smaller. Can you follow? So this is 2 pi, not just 2 pi. You have to... This don't have the pi. This has got the pi. You have to multiply by the pi. So this is actually quite big. Okay? Okay, I stop the video here.